Thank you for visiting Karimnagar, and I wish you a safe ride back to your home. I am your host for this journey, and I will make sure that you enjoy your ride. You just listened to a ballad composition by the artist Kevin MacLeod. Hope you liked it. It is time now to know more about Karimnagar. Karimnagar is a city and district headquarters in the Indian state of Telangana. It is situated on the banks of Manai River, which is a tributary of Godavari River. It serves as a major educational and health hub for the northern districts of Telangana. By the way, we visited Karimnagar to participate in the reunion of these two gentlemen who met after almost 40 years. They were intermediate classmates in Narsipatnam, a town in the Visakhapatnam district of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Let's celebrate their friendship by listening to this gypsy French jazz music composed by Benjamin Tissot and featuring acoustic guitar, double bass, accordion, and vibe. I will now narrate a real-life incident featuring the ex-RBI Governor Sri HVR Iyengar back in 1960s. After his retirement, he once visited a petrol pump and paid 10 rupees for the petrol. The salesman asked him to sign on the note so that he can return it if it is not reusable. Our Iyengar dutifully signed it. The salesman got annoyed and told him that I asked your signature and not the signature of the RBI governor which was printed on it. Well, rest it is for you to imagine. I hope you like this uplifting, positive, and happy rock music featuring drums, bass, hand claps, and electric guitar catchy riffs. It is time now for a podcast recommendation. Not one, but two. The first one is the Mahabharata with Arthi Dhand, who is an associate professor at the University of Toronto for the study of religion. The second podcast in this pandemic era is the Jane Goodall Hopecast. In this podcast, we are offered glimpses into bits and pieces of Goodall's childhood and early years in Bombay. It is time to be happy and listen to this country and folk composition by artist Endless Love. Hope you will enjoy it. We are about to reach our destination. Let's give our compliments to this gentleman for being the charioteer of this trip. Thank you for riding with us and enjoy your rest of the day. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors and be safe always by wearing a mask and washing hands frequently. Before you go, enjoy one last composition by the artist Kevin MacLeod.